Okay, today also we'll continue about the same topic, our festivals, which is from Unit 2, the first lesson. Okay, we'll also discuss some other festivals which are celebrated in Nepal. Okay. Before discussing about all the festivals celebrated in Nepal, I would like to ask some of you about some major festivals which are celebrated in your community. Okay, Dilasa. Hello, Dilasa.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Dilasa, can you name some of the festivals which are celebrated in your community?
Ma'am, the festivals which are celebrated in my community are like Dasai, Tihar. Ma'am, in my caste or in my community?
In your community or in your
Okay, ma'am,
neighborhood?
like the in
Okay.
the Dasai, Tihar, Lohsar, Holi, and then and then Gode Jatra,
Ghori Jatra. Okay,
Gai
other?
Jatra, Kai Jatra.
Gai
I mean
Jatra.
that much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Dilasa. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
Samir. Hello, Samir.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you, Samir?
We are fine, ma'am.
Samir,
Yes,
can you share with us about what are the festivals which are celebrated in your neighborhood?
inner
Yeah,
Dasai, Tihar,
Dasai, Tihar,
Losar, Holi,
Holi,
and Kaizata.
okay, Gai Jatra. Okay.
And
Thank you so much, Samir. Okay, these are some of the festivals which are celebrated in your community. Okay, I'll show you some pictures of the festivals which are celebrated in Nepal. Okay, please try to know which festival about this. Okay, do you know this?
Ma'am,
Okay, do you know which festival is it?
Dasai.
Dasai, yeah. Dasai.
Dasai. Okay,
Dasai, Tihar,
do you
Chhath,
know
Holi,
in which
Gai Jatra, Buddhist.
okay, do you know which caste or religion of Nepal celebrate this festival? Which caste of the
Ma'am, Hindus. I mean, I think almost. Ma'am,
Brahmin,
Hindu
Kshatriya,
celebrate Dasai? Okay. Okay, Sagun Kharka. Hello, Sagun. Sagun.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sagun, can you tell me which religion or the caste of Nepal celebrate Dasai?
Dosai. What do you say, ma'am?
Okay, which religion or the caste of Nepal celebrate this festival? Do you know?
Dosai.
Which religion? Yeah.
Hindu.
Okay, Hindu people celebrate Dasai, yeah. All the people who follow Hindu religion celebrate this festival. And do you know the time or the month or the day when do we celebrate this festival? In which time of the year? Do you know the month or the day? Okay,
also.
Assos or Kartik, yeah.
Ma'am, also Sarkat.
Okay, good. Assos or Kartik. Okay, similarly, I would like to ask to Josna. Josna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Josna, do you know the major activities which are done in this festival? What do we do? Okay, the activities which are done in this festival. Do you know?
Uh, yeah, there we uh, put tika and jamara. In that day,
Yes.
when we celebrate it, in that day we put tika and jamara, and we play swing, and we visit our family members. We visit the temples and like that.
Okay, very good. Very good,
Thank you.
Josna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, I'm going to share next picture of another festival of Nepal. Do you know which festival belongs to this picture?
Tihar.
Ma'am, Tihar.
Okay.
Tihar.
Okay, which caste or religion of Nepal celebrate this festival? Do you know?
Ma'am, Hindus. Ma'am, Hindus.
Yes.
Hindu.
Ma'am, yeah, Hindu. Almost all.
Around the world celebrate this festival. Okay, do you know in which time or which time of the year do we celebrate this festival?
Ma'am, in Kartik.
Okay, Kartik, yeah.
Ma'am, Kartik or Mongsi?
Is not
Ma'am,
there
in
in
Kartik. Kartik.
Thank you.
It generally falls in
Monsoon.
Kartik. No,
Okay, very
sometimes
good.
it comes falls in. Yeah, this time it's in Mongsi, no?
Sometimes in Monsoon also.
Yeah,
Okay.
because it this.
Similarly, okay. What are the major activities which we do in this festival?
Ma'am, may I say?
Okay. The major
Ma'am,
activities
this festival,
are done in this
ma'am, this
festival.
festival is generally celebrated for 5 days. Yeah.
Yes.
And then in one day, like, it's called Kak Tihar, yeah. And in the Kak Tihar we just worship
Yeah.
crows, yeah. We just worship crows and give them good food. And another is on one of the next day of Tihar is Gai Tihar. And in that Gai Tihar we just worship cows, yeah. And sometimes at night of the Gaitiyar we celebrate it falls Lakshmi Puja. And sometimes another day. And then in Lakshmi Puja we just light our house with lights and then dios and then
Firecrackers.
yeah. And then we just burn firecrackers. We just tell that Lakshmi Mata to visit our home, like that, no.
Yeah. And other days? About other days?
And yeah, and one day is left that Kukutihar. In that day we just worship dogs and give them nice food.
Ma'am, second day is
Okay.
Kukutiyar, no?
Yeah,
Okay,
think so.
second
I
day
don't
is
know about the
Kukutiyar.
days, but I
Thank
just
you.
know about what
Thank you
happened.
so much. Any other one? Can you please describe can you describe the major activities which are done in this festival?
Can I,
If
ma'am?
you are, please unmute yourself and you can. Okay, the major activity
Me,
in
me,
this festival.
me.
What is left now?
That at one day that we make that
Bhaitika.
yeah that
Okay.
is
Oh yeah, I
one
just
day
forgot all about Bhaitika.
there
The
is
first day of
Baitika.
Tika,
And we put tika to colorful tika to our foreheads. I mean, to our brothers' foreheads, and they put to
Okay.
us too. And we exchange gifts, and we give them sweets and fruits and many other foods like that. And in one day we make that rangoli, and that boys and girls come to play
Rangoli.
that.
In which day?
I don't know about that.
Ma'am,
Do
in the
we
day of
know?
Lakshmi Puja.
Yeah, maybe in that day of Lakshmi.
Okay.
Because we
Next.
just make rangoli and then they just come, no?
Yeah.
And we make that footprints also. That
Yeah,
Okay.
footprints of Lakshmi Mata.
Okay.
and boys and girls play that boili and Deusi, and they get money and stuff like that.
Okay. Thank you so much. If there anything which is remaining about this festival, I'll show you in next slide. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Oh yeah, we just forgot all about Mahapuja too.
Okay. Are you seeing the picture?
Yes.
Okay. Which festival is about, or which festival does this picture belong to?
Mahapuja.
Ma'am, this is Bhaitika because
Mahapuja.
ma'am,
Yes,
this
yeah,
must be Mahapuja.
Yeah, this looks like Baitik.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Bye.
this looks like
Oh, it's
Bhaitika because there are
Mahapuja.
all like boys.
Yeah, and that
And that
God is giving
This
sweet.
is Baitika.
Yeah.
Maybe it is.
Dilapa. Which,
This is Bhaitika, the sister
okay,
is
which day of the Tiyar does the given picture is belong to?
fifth day.
Ma'am, you may ask me, so I think that is Mahapuja.
Okay, Mahapuja.
Yes, that's Mahapuja.
Ma'am, what do you know? It must be Bhaitika because why do you know?
Yeah.
Ma'am, because look, there are that flower, that mala हुन्छ नि, which we wear in that
Yeah.
Bhaitika. That is there.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
picture
ma'am.
is about Bhaitika of
Ma'am, this picture
Bhaitika.
is
Okay. Okay, next one. Do you know which festival?
Gai Jatra. Gai Jatra.
Gai Jatra. Do you know in which who celebrate this festival? Which religion or the caste of
Nevas.
Nepal?
Nevas.
Nevar.
Nevar. And religion?
Ma'am,
Religion?
Hindu religion.
Religion. Okay, in which time of the year?
Ma'am, what?
In which time or the month or the day do we
Ma'am,
celebrate this
Vadra.
festival?
Vadra. Whatever.
Sawan or Bhadra, yeah. And do you know the major activities? Do you know the major activities which are done in this festival?
in this festival, like this festival is ma'am,
Right about
talking
Jatra
about why is this festival celebrated? This
Don't-
festival is celebrated
in
for
this festival.
ma'am, for like for ma'am, ma'am, no, let it be, ma'am. This festival is ma'am. In this festival, we ma'am, girls and boys just dress in colorful dresses, yeah, and then just be cows and becomes cows, yeah,
Yeah.
and then they just take a round around the Kathmandu Valley. Yeah, and then people just give them sweet, and then people just give them food, the fruits, and then etc. etc.
Okay. Thank you so much, Dilasa. Okay, next one.
Teas,
Can you
that is.
Ma'am, teas.
Teas. When do we celebrate teas?
In
Some
is celebrated in the month of
Bhadav,
Bhado. I think of Bhado.
Bhadav.
Yeah.
Although sound,
Yes,
yeah.
Sawan.
Sound.
No, in that. I think in Sawan, because in that month of Sawan, there is.
Sometime in October also.
Yeah,
most
this
people
time
celebrate
it's in
teas
Bhadav.
Sound or Bhado, yeah.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, similarly, which religion or caste of Nepal celebrate this festival?
Ma'am, this is celebrated by all the Hindus, no?
Yeah.
Okay, Hindu women, yeah. This is a
Hindus,
festival
girls.
and
For the welfare of their family.
yeah, family welfare of family or husband, yeah. And that do you know among you, okay, though anyone who celebrate this festival, if this festival is celebrated in your family, can you describe the major activities of this festival?
Ma'am, our mom just takes that fast, yeah.
Yeah.
Our
Dilasa.
mom just takes, yes.
Okay, let's give chance to another friend. Okay, any other except Dilasa?
Yes, like she was saying, our moms take that what they call fast or feast. I don't know. Yeah,
Fast.
fast, and they and that women go to visit like their sisters and like mothers, something like that. And one day they eat like that door and sweets and dance and meet their sisters like that. And in one day they don't eat anything, and for the welfare of their husbands and family, and go to temple and worship God, and that.
Thank you so much. Okay, next one, Nag Panchami. Yeah, this is also the one of the festival, Hindu festival of us. Yeah, and mainly we celebrate or Bhado. Yeah, Nag Panchami. Okay, next one. Okay, this
Raksha Bandhan.
Ma'am, Janai Purnima. Janai Purnima.
Jane Purnima, yeah,
Jani
Jane.
Purnima.
She is saying
Okay.
Raksha Bandhan.
They are done in this festival.
Ma'am, Janai Purnima, no?
Okay, yes. So what do we do on this day, Jani Purnima?
We threw our Jane and wear new Jane.
Okay, in
Yeah,
Brahmin or Kshatri
Yeah,
community.
that
Yeah?
boys who
Ma'am,
had
this is
already
ma'am, this is really known to Brahmin and Kshatri, no?
Yes, this is
Do you
the Yeah, mainly Brahmin and Kshatriya.
celebrate this? And do you know and then on the day of Jani Purnima we also eat kwati. Do you know kwati?
Ma'am, yeah, kwati it's a vegetable of pulses.
Yeah, and
I
it's
mean,
very
it's a
good
food of
for our
pulses.
health. Yeah. Okay. Mahasivaratri also, you know, yeah. This is also one of the Hindu festival of us. Okay, now let's go. Okay, do you know which festival does this picture belong to?
I was thinking this is Parents' Day. And I was thinking this is Parents' Day, but it was like a festival.
Okay, this is the
I think this is Losar.
picture.
I know. I think I know.
Hello, Sir.
Ma'am, this is the cloth of Sherpa, yeah.
Yeah, Sirpa.
Yeah, that
Okay,
means
this
it's
one.
Gelpo.
This, I think, yellow, Sir.
And this is of,
What?
I think, Tambulo Sar. And this is, I think, Sonam Losar.
Kiran, I think they can guess which festival is it.
I think Gauli.
Okay, yeah.
Gauli.
Okay, this one.
Eid.
Which festival? Eid. Okay, very good. Eid.
Eid.
Christmas.
Okay.
What is this? Ma'am, Buddha Jayanti.
Do you know Jain? Some people of Nepal follow Jain religion, yeah, and they celebrate the festival Mahavir Jayanti. Yeah, this picture is about festival of Mahavir Jayanti. Some of the people
So
of
what do you mean by
Nepal,
Mahavir Jayanti?
yeah, like Hinduism, Buddhism, Kirat, in Nepal, some people follow Jainism, yeah, religion. This is a religion. Jainism is a religion, and Mahavir Jayanti is one of the festival which is celebrated by Jain religion.
Ma'am,
Jainism.
they
Okay, do you
they
know one
worship.
fact? I am knowing about this religion today.
Okay, this is the festival of Sikh. You know Sikhism?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, in Nepal,
But it is not
some
celebrated.
people follow Sikhism, and this is the festival of them.
And which some follow which religion? Which religion?
This is the festival of Sikh. Yeah, some people, there is a religion. Yeah, some people of Nepal follow Sikhism, like Hinduism. There is a religion, Sikhism, and Baisakhi is one of the festival of Sikh people. Okay, understood? Sikhism, yeah. Sikhism is a religion, and this is the festival of them. Okay, now.
When this falls in Boisak. When this
Okay,
festival falls in Boisak.
To know detailedly about this festival. Okay, search in Google and try to know more about this festival, and next time in class we'll discuss about it. Okay, so here are some of the activities. There are some major festivals of Nepal, time, and the major activities which are done in this festival. Okay, except Dilasa, Sabun, and Samir, is anybody ready to read what is written in this slide?
Me.
Okay. Okay, now.
Me.
Now,
Me.
on by turn, okay? Now. Okay, now go on. Now, can you read what is written? Can you please read what is written on the slide? Okay.
Ma'am, who is gonna read this? Ma'am,
Okay, Rugosa. Hello, Rugosa.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now. Can you please read what is written on the slide?
Name of the festival for Dasai.
Okay, name of the festival, Dasai. Okay, caste or religion? Which caste or religion of Nepal celebrate this festival?
Caste and religion.
Okay, yeah. Which caste or religion?
Hindu.
Yeah, Hindu, yeah. Hindu people of Nepal celebrate Dasai. Time?
Time also Kartik.
Okay, major activities?
Major activities showing different grains to prepare Jamara on the day of Ghatasthapana, sacrificing animals and brought to Goddess Durga on the day of Fulpati, Ashtami and Navami, worshipping Goddess Durga, putting Tika and Jamara from elder, wearing new clothes,
Okay.
wearing new clothes,
With new
swinging,
clothes, swinging.
relatives and friends' house, etc.
These are the major activities which I have shortly written on this slide. Okay, thank you, Rugosa. Next one, okay. Who is ready to read what is written on I'm not seeing what it means.
Okay, Anis.
Any of you.
Anis Acharya, please read.
Yes.
Okay, Anus.
Tihar, caste and religion, Hindu, time, Kartik or Mongshir. Major activities, worshipping crows, dogs, cows, oxen and giving delicious food, cleaning houses and surrounding and decorating them with flowers and lights, worshipping goddess Lakshmi, playing Devsi and Boilo. Worshipping brothers and exchanging gifts between brothers and sisters.
Okay, thanks so much. Last time also we talked about this festival detailedly. Okay, next one. Okay, who is ready? Okay.
Pratishta, please.
Bye everyone.
Caste and religion, Hindu. Time, Kartik or Mangshir. Major activities, bathing, fasting, worshipping, sun, going to riverbank and pond, eating varieties of sweet and food.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Prince, is there Prince?
Yes, ma'am.
Prince? Okay, Prince, do you, in your
Yes.
family, do you celebrate Chhath?
Yes, ma'am.
Prince? Okay. Okay, this is
Yes, ma'am.
another greatest festival of Nepal. Mostly, this festival is celebrated by people of Tarai region. Yeah. Okay, Prince, can you describe how do you celebrate Chhath or how this festival is celebrated
Ma'am.
in your family? Okay.
Ma'am, the people just go in pond and to worships God, sun god, and
Yeah.
they do
How
feast.
many? Okay. How many days do you celebrate, or do you celebrate this festival? For how many
Ma'am,
days?
one day.
1 day or 3 days? But
One day.
I have read that what this festival is celebrated for 3 days. Is it correct?
Ma'am,
Do
I
you know?
think only one day.
Only
I
one
don't
day.
know. I think one day.
Okay.
Ma'am,
What are the
but
means?
ma'am, can I tell
Ma'am, one
something?
day they just, ma'am, one day that they just sleep like in that bank of the river. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I think 2 or 3 days. My family has also celebrated this. I think 2 or 3 days, not one.
I don't have that one idea exactly how this festival is celebrated, but I have studied that one. This festival is celebrated for 3 days. Yeah, the first
Ma'am,
day
I have saw that
people
in
go to.
news that ma'am, I have saw that in news that one day that just that they who celebrated just sleep in the bank of the river. Really?
Yeah, I also know that.
But by reading, I learned that what this festival is celebrated for 3 days. The first day, people go to the river and take a dip. Yeah, and they carry the holy river to their home for preparing offering. And next day, the devotees they take fast. Yeah, they for the whole day. Yes, and they break the fast after the sunset, and from this day they take fast
Okay.
for next 36 hours without
Next
drop of
36
water.
hours.
Hours, yeah, without drinking a. They take very hard fast. They take the fast for next 36 hours without drinking a drop of water. Okay.
Ma'am, time is
And the
almost finished.
Ma'am, it's like ma'am,
okay,
these like our that
almost
these.
finished. Okay, we'll discuss about all the festivals and the importance of celebrating festival in our next class. I'll also put this material in Google Class. Please do not forget to study. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.